The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, the first thing I want to say is that I really and truly appreciate how you, my viewers and subscribers, make Dancehall channel be a place where your voice can be heard. And with that, I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the island of Grenada, you see me? And I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video had been brought to my attention by one of my viewers, and this video is out on social media, and according to what had been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that this video shows of an incident that happened within the country that is known as Grenada. It is said that this video shows when a police officer arrested a person because the person was driving without a license. This video shows a physical altercation between the police officer and the person, and the police officer also used the force to arrest the person, you see me? Now, comments that they made about this video on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the police officer was wrong and that the police officer could have dealt with the situation better. And some comments that they made about this video on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the police officer was right and that the police officer was doing his job, and other things that have been said as well, isn't it? Yeah, and I do not have any information as to when this video had been recorded, and if you listen to the video carefully, you will also hear someone talking in the background of the video as well. You see me? Alright, now I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have a look at this video and you can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think the police officer was wrong or right for what he had done. You see what I'm saying to you? And you can also tell me what you think overall about the video. Now, as I am about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yeah, but door off, man. Door off, man. Door off, man. Door off. Stay back out from me. Door off. Door off, man. No, understand. Do not rough me. Let me door off me.
Officer, you go to charge a man. Why you don't give the man the ticket and let go about the business?
Door off me.
Why you don't give the man the ticket and let go about the business? Why you handling him so far? In the first case, you go to charge him. You don't charge him and you just decide to handle the man. Why are you handling the man like that, officer? Why you trying to trip him, officer? Why you trying to trip him? Why you trying to throw him down? Why you trying to trip him?
Driving without license. Park up in it.
Well, I want to know what's going on. Really? But you go to charge a man. You just hush him out. You don't see what going on. You go to charge a man. You don't give the man the ticket.
And I don't want to do so.
You hush him out. You can't just wrap the thing up the man so. And the man supposed to turn in his license. He have 48 hours to turn in his license. But he have 48 hours. You can't just arrest a man just so.
On the side of the road.
You can't just arrest a man just so. Hey, if you miss, use force. Well, it's on camera. Everything there. Well, the point is that the point is that he was giving him a ticket. The man had 48 hours. 48 hours to turn in his license.
Romantic on the job, Jed. You're more smelling a rum in it. It's not here that does not drink alcohol. So let's ask some.
Viewers and subscribers, I'm wondering if me hear clearly what the person said to the police officer. You know, according to how I understand some of the things that the person said to the police officer, you see me? It's like I get the understanding that the person is saying that the police officer mouth smell of rum, right? And if I recall, rum means alcohol. Really? Really? I'm wondering if that is true. Because as a law enforcer, you're not supposed to be drinking on the job. Right? Now, me can't say I true, you know. I'm only saying what I understand according to some of the things that the person said to the police officer in the video that I'm looking at. Or I should say we are looking at. You see what I'm saying to you? Well, this is not news to me. It's not the first me I hear about these kind of things where them say police officer drinking on the job. You see what I say about? I saw you go. Good and bad and everything. Observe with me some more.
So what's it? You're riding a bike. You're riding a bike.
I use force or you cooperate. That's the last time I'll be telling you.
Boss, I give you a good advice. Just cooperate with the police and just go ahead.
That's the last time I'll be telling you.
You have right to think, but you just don't make man do the thing. Just go on.
What you intend to do?
I want you to tell me what you really arresting me for.
Arresting you for failing to give orders when I'm requested to do so. Easy and simple.
You tell me you're charging.
It's easy and simple.
So you pepper spray the man everything, eh? So that one going on in Grenada, take advantage of people, boy, children. Take advantage of people, children. Take advantage of people, children. Okay, that what are you doing? Let me know. I have everything here. You find you kick down the man. You find you kick down the man the other day up on the bike. And those kind of things.
You see, some of the times when I say to each and every one, when I tell persons say, yo, it's best to just comply. You see me, because at the end of the day, you know, viewers and subscribers, you see, when you resist arrest and when you act as if you're trying to you know, trying to say that you're not going in and you're not going to take arrest, you see me, you only make matters worse. You see me, I said to you, you see me, when it comes down to the law and the system, I know something where you're going to just end up beat by, you know, force against force and them things. You see me? You ever hear a thing where them say, the pen is mightier than the sword? You ever hear about that thing? You see me? So, you know, this way just happen right now, right? Where the police officer used force in order for, to arrest the person, you see me? This is one of the reasons why I say it's best to comply and then complain to the necessary authorities after, you see me? A lot of time you say, person said, oh, Dancehall skiller, a foolish is your talk, oh, me not take no arrest and ray. Well, can't say me not give the best advice I know. You see me, I said to you, I'm not perfect, but if me find myself in a situation like this, I'm just gonna try my best to just make it as easy on me as possible. But anyways, I'm going to take a look at the rest of the video. Observe with me.
So where's my phone? Give me my fucking...
Yeah.
They arrest your son up on Boban Hill right here now. And the same policeman on the bike again, he like to kick down people off a bike and all kind of thing, you know. And say, they come and follow the boy pull up on the side, they tell him how he's driving without license and those kind of things. So Reen now, maybe they give him something or whatever, the man go in and rag up the boy because I have everything on camera here. So the man, Reen tell him don't hang the boy, the man pepper spray the boy in the face and thing, you know. The police pepper spray me now. Pepper spray the boy in the eye, the boy can't even open the eye thing right now. So I had to come and I had to get a van to go back down in the station and go back up. I there on the cliff here, I don't leave him until they think that he just call the police van for him. He handcuff him and he call the police van for him. Ian. What say? Are they on the cliff here? I was coming and meet you in, and then the police come and arrest the driver who was the boy was dropping him up and those kind of things. So are they here still?
Well, let me sit down now.
That's how you do.
Well, just leave it there because I want to come up and get it.
You come down. I'll control it.
Call traffic guy.
Huh?
Call ID.
Yeah, anybody there?
No.
Alright, let me use the one.
Now we call the police van. Call the police van. Let the police van go with him because this vehicle, I don't know what they're doing with him. I'll bring down the van. I don't talk to your father already. I'll pick up your hat. Just come, just walk. I'm holding you.
You let him go first.
I'm holding you. I'm holding him. You don't know where he's going.
You let him go first, please.
Watch,
Let him go.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that is out on social media, and it is said that this video shows when a police officer arrested a person because the person was driving without a license, you see me? And according to what had been said about this video on social media, it is said that this video had been recorded within the country of Grenada, or it is said that this video shows an incident that happened within the country of Grenada, you see me? Now, on social media, it is said that the man had been arrested by the police because the man was driving without a license, you see me? But I listened to some things that have been said in this video and I listened carefully, you see me? And the understanding that I get from some things that I heard in this video, it seems as if the man was driving a vehicle, but the man just did not have his license on him. That's the understanding that I get, you know, because if I listen to the person in the background of the video, it would seem as if the person in the background of the video know this person. You understand? And it would seem as if the person in the background of the video know that this person somehow have a license. You understand what I'm saying to you? No, I do not know the person who the police officer arrested. You know? No, I do not know the person. But at the same time, I listen to the video. And that's the understanding that I get. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm not a lawyer. So therefore, I'm going to ask a question right about now. You see what I'm saying to you? And this question that I'm going to ask, it might be a part of the law within the country of Jamaica, you see me? But isn't it a part of the law within the country of Jamaica that if a police officer stop a person and if the person is driving without his or her license, isn't it true that the person has a 48-hour time period to present the license to the police within the country of Jamaica? You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you know, I also saw an article about this whole thing, you see, where it is said that persons are abusing this grace period to present the license within the 48-hour time period within the country of Jamaica. So what I'm saying to you, I'm not sure if that law really stands right now because sometimes laws change. You see, that's why I even ask this question. You see what I'm saying to you? So that's why I'm asking these questions, because sometimes the law changes and you know, it's not like I'm a lawyer keeping track with the law and them things there. So when I said to you, yeah, I know certain things, but at the same time, sometimes things can change on me. So, you know, let me know what you think about that as well, viewers and subscribers. So I'm saying to you, yeah. And let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, alright? Let me know if you think the police officer was wrong, alright? And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country of Grenada. You understand? Yeah, and here's where I'm going to leave this. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.